that felt different. I do Christian hip hop.
Christian hip hop.
Yeah, so I teach it. The other night I slept on the couch, and I don't know if like it just slipped out or something, but I literally like couldn't walk.
Oh, I felt it.
I felt my entire being. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, that was amazing.
Okay. All right, now you are coming from what, New York?
I live in Florida.
Oh,
I
you
live
do?
like 2 minutes from here.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, actually.
Really?
That's why they were geeking out when they found out your location. They were like, we're coming to visit you and we can go there.
Heck yeah. Oh, just didn't change your driver's license yet, I'm guessing?
Oh, no, yeah.
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 You're good, don't worry. But, all right, so at least, yeah, right here. Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Now, what do we got going on?
I've had problems with like my SI joint before.
Okay.
And like I've had it slip out or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
But there was a point like years ago where like I couldn't even walk or sit down. And then like I did a lot of like strengthening exercises for like my hamstrings and my glutes.
Yep.
And it got like put back in place and stuff. So it's
Good.
been good. But like the other night I slept on the couch and I don't know if like it just slipped out or something, but I literally like couldn't walk.
Oh, jeez.
But it's like a little bit better now. It's just shocking down my like entire leg.
Okay, so all left side.
Yeah, it's my entire left side.
Okay.
Yeah.
But no like trauma, like nothing like that.
Nothing, like I was like, is this what it's like getting old? I don't like it.
Get out of here.
Yeah, I went to the gym the night before it happened, but like I go to the gym like all the time. And I didn't even do like anything crazy. I walked on incline, and I always walk on incline.
Yeah, it wasn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate hearing the getting old thing, but and you're not. Gosh, I got 11 years on you. Yeah, 11 years. Come on, you're not old. Then I'm old. Gosh.
That's crazy.
Okay. All right. How is like right now? How are like movements in that lower?
Like right here, it's tight and it's sharp.
Okay.
Forward, it feels tight, sharp.
Really?
Yeah.
And it's like right on.
Yeah, it's like right on the left side.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then kind of going.
Yeah, like I can feel my leg kind of like shaking right now from it being irritated.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's fix that.
Thanks.
Go face down on the table for me.
Okay.
Let's check that leg length. All right, right leg is pulling short. It's actually not too crazy though, but yeah, that one's a little short there. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness. Got a little rotation in there, but no pain with this, right?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, you have movement, which is good, but yeah. No, yeah, I mean, obviously that's a good thing. Granted, I know it was more recent of what,
Yeah.
you know.
I stretch every day, and even when it's in pain, like I stretch, I have to.
Oh, don't tell me it's because you're getting older, huh?
No, I'm a dancer, so I have to stretch before my classes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What kind of dance?
I do Christian hip hop.
Christian hip hop.
Yeah, so I teach it.
Okay. Well, I mean, I've never heard, I mean, I know hip hop. I didn't know that there was a.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I do it full time working with youth.
Good for you.
Yeah.
That is awesome. That's good. That is really good. What church?
I work inside of a Brazilian church.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really cool. They set up like giant mirrors and everything. It's like an outreach ministry.
Okay.
That feels so good.
We're going to start right up top here. There we go.
I love that.
Drop down a little bit here, get that mid-thoracic spine. And on the lower one, let me have you take a deep breath in and out. Okay. Let me have you sit up on the table and then go one leg on each side. How'd that feel?
It felt good. I actually, when you cracked the lower part, I felt it in my front.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay. Bring that arm up. That one up. Keep your thighs just a little bit, yeah, snug. There we go. This is a sitting lumbar adjustment. Gonna rotate you this way.
Okay.
There we go.
That felt good.
You can relax your arms. Heck yeah. I mean, granted, this was the area for you that was
Yeah.
problem area, so I figured that would kind of light up like that.
It did. That felt perfect. Oh.
Yeah, I would say those two were like the main ones that you needed.
Yeah.
You got a little bit of knots up here. Let's check this side. Yep. Feel that roll right now?
Oh.
There we go. Even cracking my own thumbs with that.
I thought I heard that.
Yeah, man, that were my thumbs. Good. Now we're gonna check the shoulder here. Good. Good there too. Yeah, this thing works so good. It's, yeah, rapid vibration. It's called rapid release. This isn't even turned up all the way.
Really?
Uh-huh. So
I love it.
we'll go back to the second one there. all the weight, I mean, she'd be jumping off the table. Oh yeah, you're like. Go face down again for me. Dun, 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 dun. And you are balanced. Yeah, I had a feeling that was going to be...
So it was this one?
Yeah, this was the one that was actually pulling shorter.
Oh.
But yeah, I had a feeling it was going to go back real easy. Just because it's, you know, just kind of went out on you.
Yeah.
Felt a couple more in here too.
Yeah.
Okay. Flip onto your back.
Get in my back.
There we go.
Last night I couldn't even lay flat.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why. Like I don't know what happened. Like right now it's still really sharp.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever had a leg pull done?
I don't think so.
Okay. Oh, I felt it. That hip, it reset it right there.
So was my hip out?
Mm-hmm.
It was, right?
Yeah, the femur had how it's. I mean, you felt how that thing.
Yeah.
Because I normally don't always get like a clunk.
Oh, really?
Like, no.
That's not normal?
Well, it's normal if it's, you know, misaligned.
Yeah.
But yeah, for the, I don't want to say for the normal person, but for the person who doesn't have, you know, a misalignment,
Yeah.
then yeah, no, it doesn't sound like that at all.
Oh.
You see how that one was different than the
Yeah.
other one. And then we're gonna get you to slide back. Watch your hair though, I don't want it to catch. There we go. Now this is the best part right here.
Oh. Lord have mercy.
Okay. Yeah, with the Y strap, we're gonna decompress the entire spine.
Oh my God. I felt my entire being. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, that was amazing.
I heard that. That was loud too.
I literally felt my entire spine. That was nice. I like this. Ah, good job, Dad. You found a good place. Ah.
You needed that.
I needed that. I definitely needed that. I even feel a difference like crazy. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
You are welcome.
Ah.
There we go.
Oh my gosh.
You got taller.
I know.
Did you invent that Y strap?
Nope, that has been out since the mid-'80s.
Really?
Yeah, it was a Dr. Pettibone that invented it. But yeah, I was just the first one that made it popular.
Really?
Yeah, the first doc that I worked for, like right out of chiropractic school, he had one, and he was the one that actually trained me on it and showed me it. And yeah, that I just looked at that and I was like, dude, this one adjustment is literally better than any other adjustment I've ever had. And that's when I had to like dive in, and I ended up purchasing Dr. Pettibone's textbook and going through all his old case studies, and I was like, no freaking way, like, how good that was. Come on, back down. Round 2.
Oi.
Heard a couple.
Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh, I love it so much.
The first one was definitely like more explosive.
I felt it go like down my whole spine, but this one I felt more in my upper body.
Okay.
Yeah. I like this.
She was so afraid to have that done.
I know. I saw the video out there and I was like, I also, in my head, this thing was like up your nose. So I was like, how's that happen? Makes sense though.
You don't realize how compressed like your body gets.
No, I had no idea. I've never had anything like that done before.
A little bit different than the last chiropractor.
Oh, not even comparison. There's nothing like this. Yeah. Yeah, it's incredible. I have to say, when when my feet are hanging off the table, I don't know, cause with like dance and stuff like that, you have like flexibility in your like back, like a lot. When my legs are hanging and my back is still on here, I feel like a tugging on my like tailbone area.
Do you?
Yeah.
We'll check it. Come on.
Yeah. Your storage must be like either really high or you have to fix your storage all the time on your phone.
I did the 1 terabyte.
Nice.
Yeah, I had to.
Yeah.
But even then, like after like a day, I have to unload it onto.
I can't believe you use an iPhone.
You know, I had.
It's good quality.
That was the kicker. I had a regular, DSLR camera, and I had everything set up.
Yeah.
But with this tripod, I can bend it and get that overhead.
It's way more convenient.
That's the only reason why I did it.
Yeah.
Because moving this around, the other tripod, got like the
Yep.
legs. It's
And you
big
can
and
still
bulky.
do like, you can airdrop it straight to your computer.
Yeah. That's exactly what I do.
Yeah. It makes everything so much faster.
Yeah, the only kicker, which actually what happened yesterday, half my video came in with sound, and half did not. And I was on the freaking computer with this company.
Oh.
Come to find out that when turning the phone into the cinema mode, which gives a better visual,
It turns the sound off.
it doesn't record any sound. This needed an update on it, and I was like,
Oh, dang.
I'm like, great. Your daughter's yesterday, half of it, because I switched in and out of cinema mode. The couple from London.
No way.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
You're switching in and out of cinema mode, and half the video has sound, half doesn't.
That's
So,
sad.
I know, because I just got this phone, and my old one was the iPhone 12,
Okay.
and now finally, I don't know, whatever this one is, the newest one, and
They have insane cameras like on
yeah,
them.
that's the kicker. And then when I saw the cinema mode, I was like, holy crap, it looks like I got a real videographer.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna get a new mic and figure that out, so when I switch around, I don't ever have to deal with that.
Again, yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice though, the mic, it has the, I don't know what it's called, the fluff on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like I'm not in pain.
Stand up for me, kind of bend, turn, because you remember how
Yeah.
that lower was feeling.
Yeah, it feels a lot better. Bend. It's a little tight, but I think it's better than it was. Way better than it was. I still feel a little tense right here,
Alright.
but it might just be.
Well, I'm gonna check something.
Check it?
before we
Okay.
go. If you go to the side, so.
Yeah.
Because I think last time.
Yeah,
you
I
were
couldn't
saying-
even turn. Yeah.
You were feeling it. You're like, yep, sharp. And
Yeah.
Like a few different.
Yeah, it feels good. It's not causing a shock at all.
Good. But yeah, let me check one more thing when I put this up.
Oh, those are the things that are hanging from your ceiling.
Yes. On that leg. Good. Good, just like that. Bring it a little bit closer. There we go.
Oh, I feel it.
And then flip to the other side. Yeah, I felt that one. Come on up now. That was it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, now move around.
Oh my gosh. I feel like I can go so much further now. Yeah.
Crazy, just that one.
You saw the difference, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, that feels so nice.
This is how you need to be feeling.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh. I feel taller.